Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip. Today we are going to be talking about a massive attack on Bitcoin miners in the mainstream media, and it is hilarious to see as these FUD stories are coming out in the media. I'll share a couple with you today, not only about miners, but mining companies, all the traditional stocks, things like this. Eco-friendly fears for Bitcoin mining. We've talked about this before. As all this is happening, Bitcoin continues to go up. As Warren Buffett calls Bitcoin a fraud and calls it gambling, it continues to go up, and the gamblers continue to gamble. I don't think it's a gamble, guys. I think it's valuable. We'll talk about why in this video, as well as some of the FUD that I'm seeing out there that I want to address head on today. So if you like the content, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. 5 videos every single day for you here, and when we hit 10,000 subscribers, we are giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin to one lucky subscriber. So don't miss out, guys. And looking at these markets, Bitcoin is doing very well at 46% dominance at a price of $30,000. It is up 8.22% over the last 7 days at a $584 billion market cap. And Ethereum is doing even better at an 11.68% gain over the last 7 days. These are moving up in a big way right now, which is fantastic to see. Eventually, we hope to see a altcoin rally as well, but it is Bitcoin's day in the sun, and that does not stop the FUDders from FUDding along. So an article by CoinDesk, Sweden drives a final nail into a Bitcoin mining industry with a tax hike. They have a 6,000% increases in taxes per kilowatt hour of energy. And basically, this is going to possibly threaten all crypto mining in Sweden. This is a very interesting thing. You got to start asking yourself, is this a pointed threat? Is this the attempt to knock Bitcoin off the map? They can't fight Bitcoin. Bitcoin keeps going up. Our government's going to start attacking miners, right? Because of the environmentally unfriendliness of them, right? They're charging more taxes. They're just trying to drive them out of the industry. Well, it's happening in Sweden, apparently. Also, Texas Senate passes a bill to limit Bitcoin miners' participation in demand response programs. Bill is likely to fail in the House, says Marathon Digital. But the Texas Senate is trying to, again, come after and just make things harder for miners. This Texas Senate bill passed. It would cap how much Bitcoin miners can participate in these programs, under which they get paid to curtail their operations at times of high energy demand. That is why you saw when Texas actually, during a huge heat wave, shut off their miners. They made millions of dollars basically by shutting down their operations in a high demand time because everybody wanted air conditioning, so they shut it down. They're trying to take away those incentives. Very interesting to see the dominoes start to fall in Sweden, in Texas, in other places. You've heard some of these fear stories. The New York Times came out with a story about Bitcoin miners the other day, that this would be the downfall of it as we see nuclear Bitcoin mining facilities going live. And in Europe, they're trying to actually do away with all nuclear powered energy facilities, which is very interesting. So a lot of mixed things going on with miners and just energy choices, I guess, across the globe right now. But Bitcoin miner BitDeer stock slumped nearly 30% today. So are miners doing bad? Are they getting banned? Is this going downhill? Should you be concerned? Well, guys, Riot Platforms, Riot Blockchain, and Marathon Digital, you remember them? They were the ones that said, this bill is likely to fail in the House. In other words, this is a FUD story, right? This is a lie with a bow on it, maybe. Maybe that's it. Or maybe they're trying to do that, right? But Riot Platforms and Marathon Digital, who are right now leading the crypto stock gains, as Bitcoin's pumping, they have been blasting off. I personally own some Riot Platforms. Not saying that's the one better than the other. It's just one that I've invested in. I think there's a lot of great crypto stocks out there. If you're trying to buy in the traditional portfolio that you might have, get exposure to some Bitcoin. I have a brother-in-law who wants to get some Square stock. I think he's buying Block. Things like this, trying to get some crypto plays. I think these are going to continue to perform well. And so when you see an article saying, hey, one stock slumps, well, yeah, look at all the other ones that are Bitcoin related. They're doing very well. Not all of them are going to be winners. Terra Luna collapsed. So did FTX. Maybe FTX can come back. I hope not. That's for certain. I don't want it to come back. But there's going to be some things that slump. Well, the whole industry just continues to drive up. And overall, guys, FUD, anti-Bitcoin crypto miner news is really, I just think, an attack on Bitcoin because it's a threat, because of how successful it is, because we know how insanely helpful this technology is for banking the unbanked, for making peer-to-peer transactions the standard instead of having an intermediary with higher costs and slower transaction times. A decentralized public ledger, that is Bitcoin, is better than the banking system, which is why while these banks are collapsing, Bitcoin and crypto are rocking and rolling, guys. Bitcoin miner CleanSpark purchased 45,000 ASICs for $145 million the other day. Why? Because they're betting on the future of crypto. As Bitcoin is pumping, moving above $30,000, I am feeling really good right now. I would love to see in this next bull market. I was talking to some folks here at the event that I was at this week with Black Sea. And, we were asking the question, can Bitcoin break all-time highs this year? Most people say no. And I would say no as well. But also, we all kind of agreed, hey, anything's possible with Bitcoin. I don't think we get much higher than that. At the end of the day, though, guys, what should you be doing? If and this isn't financial advice, but if you're interested in crypto and you're buying, a really great strategy with any kind of investing, proven over time, it seems to be dollar cost averaging, which is why we talk about that so much on the channel. Like I said, we did just get back from an NFT event. We are giving away our own NFT when we hit 25,000 subscribers on this channel. It is a Crypto.com loaded lion NFT worth about $1,500. Follow us at _crypto report. And for these details to the giveaway, if you're a member on our channel, you get an additional 10 entries for every single month you are. And you get access to our private Discord where you can talk directly with me and Black Sea about all the things that we're doing. You get access to these emojis and loyalty badges during our live streams every Tuesday, Thursday at 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time as well. Just go here to join or in the link in the description down below. Guys, that is all I got for you in this one. I am Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel, and as always, you gotta remember, folks, to DCA, HODL, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night. Got 2 videos for you right here if you want to check them out. Peace.